like to invite B. Naveen Kalyan on the stage to give speech on ban alcohol.
Our principal sir name is Nagarjuna sir and our director sir name is Venkat sir. Now I am going to explain about India and its major problem faced by the India people. Let's dive into deeply. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji always say, "Meri Bharat Mahan," which means India is a great country, and we have always said a saying from the past 4 to 5 decades that India is a developed country. But when we will hear two statements saying India is a developed country, is this possible? There are a lot of challenges people in India are faced now. Unemployment, corruption, poverty and so on. Now I would like to explain one of the dangerous and serious problems that India people facing is now other than alcohol. Lot of youth, poor middle classes and high classes, poor people are getting addicted to alcohol. In the olden days, people used to full sky to drink, shy to drink gudumba or sarai. But nowadays, youth has started following it as the trend to celebration every occasion with alcohol. Youth started drink alcohol or passing to showcase their success and also failures in life, due to which they are unable to stop their and started destroying their own creation. This is a wonderful explanation of the which I would like to explain on today's situation in most of the villages. If we run out of medical in case of emergency after we could not find any medicines shops open to save the people in need, but if we after 11 p.m. you can find many bell shops opened just from you. Most of the villages in rural areas has on basic faculties such as on proper hospital or emergency. They look behind maximum treatment such as on proper health facility, no proper schools and from poor children not to drink water supply etc. to facilities easy life going in India. Everyone thought the worst nightcares in bell shops are supplied liquor 24 hours into 7 hours in such a day type of rural villages as well. If we look at the political system in India, our government has ensured us to ban the alcohol before the electrician, but practically they have double or triple price of liquor and stated to the public. This is another promise made by the central is we all now and have seen many advertisements saying drinking alcohol is injurious to health. If alcohol itself is a bad thing, they have government promise us to supply good quality of alcohol. If we go to the recent made by the state and central government, they have shamelessly stated that they have gained property on liquor. Please think about it from a movement who money is involved and who does the money came from to the government. It's our money, it's our blood and sweat, it's our kids' money which we saved from future. 25% of income in generally to the state government on only liquor policy. From every 100 rupees you will be paying 25 rupees on alcohol every day. Imagine if you can just save 25 rupees daily, you will be able to save a lot of money from your kids' future, and most of the families can come out of property due to this simple art. These are lot of people around us who got addicted and lost their own lives due to the addiction. They are unable to provide proper education to their kids and spoil their future as well, which leads to family disturbance. And driving their vehicles fastly with their subconsciously main people road their vehicles or footpaths whose innocent people are getting killed due to this necklace behavior. They are not only risk their own lives but also other as well. Please take a moment to think around it. Is this necessary? Is this the correct path which we are following? We are not here to blame anyone, but inside we are creating an on the among the people. We are expected a possible response and a good change from all of you. After this speech, once again we request anyone from our school, మద్యపానాన్ని నిషేధిద్దాం, భావితరులకు బంగారు బాటను వేద్దాం. మద్యపానాన్ని నిషేధిద్దాం, భావితరులకు బంగారు బాటను వేద్దాం. మద్యపానాన్ని నిషేధిద్దాం, భావితరులకు బంగారు బాటను వేద్దాం. Thank you everyone from giving me such a wonderful opportunity to present myself in front of you.